With Opsiforce, workflows that used to take weeks get built in a conversation. You just describe what you need in plain language. Here, the user asks Opsiforce to build a workflow. So when a breakdown is reported, a work order is created automatically. The manager assigns it to a technician, and when the technician reports it's done, the system updates itself. Opsiforce reads the live APIs, figures out the integrations, and starts building. It creates the files, connects to Equipment OS, and builds the technician form, ready to push data straight back into the system. Want to adjust the form? Just say so. And it updates in seconds. Now here's the workflow running for real. Field site reports a breakdown, and a work order is created automatically. Manager assigns it, and the technician gets the job details and a form link. Once the repair is done, the technician fills the form with the repair details. And the order closes itself. No calls, no manual work. One prompt, full workflow. That's Opsiforce.